Connection. Before correction, the order that works. Here's a mistake most loving parents make without even realizing it. We try to correct behavior before we connect. But when a child is angry, overwhelmed, or melting down, their brain is not ready to learn. Correction in that moment doesn't teach, it escalates. What works instead is this order: connection first, correction later. Connection sounds simple, but it's powerful. Getting down to their level, naming what they're feeling, letting them know they're not alone. When a child feels seen and safe, their nervous system begins to settle. And only then, when calm returns, does guidance actually land. This doesn't mean no limits. It means limits work better after connection. Connection opens the door. Correction walks through it. That order changes everything.